Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to help save storage space on your second iPhone or another iPhone you might be using. So, in case you do have iCloud, one thing you want to make sure is that your new phone, the second phone you're using, does not automatically download everything, all the images from your iPhone. That's going to quickly load the hard drive in the storage space. So what we're going to want to do is go to settings. From settings, you're going to want to go down to apps. So from the top, you go down to apps. Then we're going to want to go to photo under P. So we click photos, and you just want to make sure that this toggle is turned off. So iCloud photos, in case you have iCloud, make sure this is turned off. Otherwise, the iCloud will automatically download onto your phone, and that can just quickly take up all the space on your iPhone, especially if it's an older model with less storage space or hard drive space. All right, so go ahead and do that. Make sure that the iCloud photos is turned off. And yeah, please like our comment, subscribe, helps out. See you next time. Bye-bye.